It's hard to imagine that over time, millions upon millions of army personnel worldwide have strapped their boots and put their uniforms on to fight for their country. It's estimated that over 150 million Defence Force personnel lost their lives fighting for their country. I've gathered artists from all around the world and put together an army, a fluid art army at that, and have come together to help honour and pay respect to all fallen and injured soldiers, and to send positive energy and cheer on our still serving personnel and pray for their safe arrival home. So come with us for a full week of art as we create our own version of a camouflage painting. This is POUREMEMBRANCE Day, an artist collaboration.
Attention! Forward march! 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. We're gonna pour some paint tonight!